This is definitely different than, because I'm used to like being able to see them, you know, from the pier.
Yeah. That's pretty sweet. That's some clean water.
Well, it depends on the day.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh no.
What in the world? That bites hard.
Oh, going.
I got a thing for the bass.
He bamboozled you.
He sure did. Son of a gun. Stop it. Oh,
Oh, you got one?
yeah.
There you go. All right. Get him out of there.
Oh, it's little. That's a keeper. Nice.